Hi, this is Riley Byrd. For my Raspberry Pi project, I created a script that scans my Google Calendar for events and reminds me of them with a phone call 5 minutes prior. As you can see here, I'm remoted into my Raspberry Pi through SSH. If I use the launch command, it should call me on my cell phone. Normally, I would have cron do this, but for the purpose of this video, I'll do it manually this way.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code.
Master was your scheduled event. With that, I bid you adieu.
Notice how the robot caller paused in places. Those would normally be filled by variables. I believe this is useful and innovative because Google Calendar and many other calendars don't offer this, or the services that do offer it as a paid service. Now, as you heard, I have a trial account with Twilio, but if I had a full account, which I might do if I was putting this into production, then I could remove that message as well as expand it out to other users. So I hope you enjoyed my Raspberry Pi project.